Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. I'll probably do a swatch video too, but I'm gonna do an unboxing real quick. I got some goodies yesterday and I wanted to show you guys. I couldn't very well do them last night just because George wasn't feeling well. I was going to do the videos, George wasn't feeling well. I wasn't doing it. I was like, nope. People can do without me. It's okay. So, let me get some of this crap off and I will show you all what I got. Hi, Daytona. I'm going to show you all what I got. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So I got some repeat items, obviously. Don't ask me what I'm going to do with them because I have no idea yet. But I will figure it out. Probably it will be sometime after the holidays. Now I did get our stacks, our bundle stacks. This will be in bundle 10. So my first one is actually boldly bronzed. Now you can use them for your eyeshadow, you can use them for your face, you can use them for face and eyeshadow. Pretty much it. Alright, so here is the highlighter. Super pretty, very pretty. These highlighters are super creamy. So here is the swatch. It kind of actually looks a little like brazen a little bit, but not very much. The second one right here I think is actually going to be for blush or bronzer. Right here. I think it's this one will be blush. That's for bronzer. So this is for blush right here. And it has like a little bit of a glitter shift right here. Super pretty though. And then this is the lip balm. The lip balm, I actually swatched it not that long ago. That is the lip balm. So this is boldly bronzed. You can get this and hold on, this. So hold on, let me wipe my hand off a little bit. So here is the blush bronzer brush right here. Here is the eyeshadow. Here's another eyeshadow brush. And wait for it. Here's the lip. Personally, I would just use my finger, but whatever. It's okay. It's totally okay. All right, and then here is the next stack. This is called Pretty Neutral. Very light shades. So here is the highlighter. Let's show you all the highlighter. Now it does have like a little bit of a pink, a light pink shift. You guys can barely tell, but it is super cute. Here is the bronzer. The bronzer. Here is the blush. These have, the blushes actually seem to have like a little bit of a glitter shift to it, but that's okay. All right, and then here is the lip. Ooh. And there's the lip balm. These are very cute stacks, of course. Now you can get, the stacks just come with these two, and then you can do an upgrade and you can get the stack of your choice. You can choose between whichever one, and then right after that you can upgrade it and get a mascara. So, I just ordered the two stacks with the brushes. I did not order the stacks with the mascara because I think I'm okay on mascara for right now. At least Younique wise, I might be okay. All right, so that's that for that. Of course, I got 2 of the brushes. Let's see here. I got 2 new lip liners because of the Opulence lipsticks. The only reason why I have not decided what I'm gonna do just yet for like if I'm gonna do a giveaway on products or anything, I don't know yet. I mean, it's expensive, so I'm trying to be careful about mailing stuff out. Now, this is the shade Pride. This is supposed to be like a red shade. That's pretty. I'm excited to use that. But yeah, I'm going to just try to be careful on mailing stuff. So, yeah. This is shade Peppy. This seems like a darker shade. This would match like the lip, maybe. Peppy's right there. These are really creamy too. I love these. All right. I got the bundle with, oh wait, no, hold on. I got the limited edition exclusive whatever Hottie lip plumper, and this is in shade Refreshed. And it's right there. And it smells exactly the same. I actually might, oh gosh, I don't know. And just so you guys know, these lip liners, they stay. So I would recommend getting, you can get like 2 lip liners, the Opulence mini, the mini Moonstruck Opulence lipstick set, and then upgrade it and get this lip plumper. It is super pretty. I really like it. I mean, here's our original OG lip plumper, and then here's our limited edition one. So, and after the bundles go away, that goes away. Just saying. Just saying, you guys. All right, I got another Liquid Splash lipstick. This is in the shade Wrapped in Red. This is one of my favorite liquid lips now because, and it's also limited edition too, so it's gonna go away after. So I stocked up. This is in shade Feeling Fuchsia. Oh wow, look at that. Actually, that would match that lip liner. And don't forget, these are matte too. Like, super pretty. I really enjoy these products. They're super comfortable. They're skincare infused products. It's super nice. I would definitely recommend getting this as well. Sorry. But if you guys have questions about any of the bundles, let me know. I'd love to help you all out. If you guys need to be colored match, or if you guys need to decide what bundle you would like to get, or what you guys would like to order and stuff. If you guys need to be colored match, just comment color match, and I will comment below and find a way for you guys to like message me and stuff. So I will talk to you all later. I hope you have a great evening, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye guys.